I got my beaches out in Georgia. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So today's video is really exciting because I will be unboxing and give you guys my review as well as some tips and tea about a fragrance that's been on my wish list for a hot minute now. If you guys know me, you guys know that I love fragrances. You guys know that I love to smell good. I love to be good. And a part of that is making sure that your fragrance is top, okay? The fragrance is an accessory to an outfit. So in today's video, we will be unboxing and I will give you guys a review, tips, and tea on Tom Ford's Bitter Peach fragrance. This fragrance has been hyped all over the internet, amongst the YouTube girls, amongst Instagram. So I had to pick it up. And I want to let y'all know how I really feel about it, okay? So if you guys are interested in seeing my review, go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy. Drop a comment down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So before we get started, I wanted to address today's look very quickly. I still have in my butterfly locks. Yes, I've had them in for 2 months. They still look the freak good, okay? My makeup, I didn't record it. Sorry, but if you guys want me to record it, I definitely can. But the lippy is Honey Waffles mixed with Cookie Jar, the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Creams. And I have on these earrings from ASOS. I have on this top from Zara, and I have on my Hermes watch. So that's basically the look for today. Real cute, real simple for the girls. But let's go ahead and get into this review. So I went ahead and picked a Bitter Peach from Tom Ford. This fragrance has been hyped by a lot of people, okay? So I went ahead and picked her up from Nordstrom. She retails for $368, and previously she was $350, but Tom Ford went ahead and upped the price on us just because I guess they seen the hype over Tom Ford fragrances. They see the demand, and it was just like, let's go ahead and get this extra coin from the girls and the boys. So yeah, they went ahead and raised the price, but it is still cheaper on some retailers such as Bergdorf Goodman and Selfridges, I believe. So just keep that in mind when you guys are considering this fragrance. But yeah, so this is a little outer shot. I have not opened it yet. I have smelled it though, which we'll get into a little later in this video. So let's just go ahead and unbox her real quick. I'm really excited. I finally got me a Bitter Peach. Okay, I got my peaches out in Georgia. And y'all may be like, girl, why you being so gentle? It's just plastic, rip it. No, because I bought it from Nordstrom and they went ahead and put the little thing to return on the thing, on the plastic. So I'm keeping the plastic, period. If you guys know me, y'all know I love shopping at Nordstrom because their return policy, amazing. So this is a box that the fragrance comes in. Real cute, real luxe. Love the texture of it. Listen, for $368, I need an experience. We just spoke about Black women in luxury, about using the word luxe, using the word luxury. If you guys didn't see that video, I'll link it up above and down below. But everything needs to be an experience, okay? For $368, low-key, I was expecting me to open this box and for friggin' Chris Brown to be jumping out of it singing to me. But, you know, I'm pushing it a little bit too much. But the box goes and opens like so. Okay, so here she is. She has arrived. The packaging, I'm here for it, even though I didn't get my Chris Brown, but it's okay, maybe next time. She is so stunning, like, oh my god. So before we go ahead and open her up, I did want to speak a little bit about the scents of this fragrance. So the fragrance family that it belongs to is the floral family. The keynotes is Turkish rose, Bulgarian rose, and coffee. And it also has peach, I think it's pronounced peach de vigne or peach de vigna. It has silicone blood orange, rum infused divana oil, patchouli, and sandalwood. So let's go ahead and open her up. As I mentioned, I did smell this already, so oh my god. Oh my god, so good.
Hey guys, editing Kendra here. So I just wanted to come in and give you guys some details that I forgot to mention when I was recording this video. So first of all, this fragrance is an Eau de Perfume. To me, it doesn't smell like a sweet peach. It smells like more of like a musky peach to me. So it's an equal mix of like musk and fruity florals, if that makes sense. But it's not completely sweet at all. And I could see myself wearing this fragrance in the spring, in the summer, and in early fall. I wouldn't really wear it in winter since it does have that peachy, fruity fragrance scent. Nope.
Wow. Just wow. Just wow. Wow. So yes, this fragrance smells so amazing. Like, if you want to smell good, if you want to smell like a bad bitch, if you want to smell like everything you're manifesting in life plus more, this is her in a bottle. Okay, so this fragrance, as I mentioned, it retails for $368, but I did pay, let me put her down before any accidents occur. So this fragrance, as I mentioned, retails for $368, but I did end up paying $312 for it because it was on sale on Macy's. And the thing with Nordstrom is that whenever one of their competitive retailers puts an item on sale that they offer, Nordstrom goes ahead and price matches it without even a question. But if something is on sale on a website that isn't a direct competitor of Nordstrom, you can go ahead and request a price adjustment. So when I went on Nordstrom's site, it was on sale. It was $312, just like Macy's. And I prefer to buy it from Nordstrom because their return policy, I tell you guys all the time, if y'all not shopping at Nordstrom yet, then go ahead and watch about 12 of my videos and I'm pretty sure that I will convince you guys. But yes, Nordstrom is that girl. So I went ahead and purchased it from Nordstrom, even though I know I wanted this set and I know I'm gonna love it. Just in case anything happens, Nordstrom's got me covered. Okay, so yeah, I went ahead and picked it up, paid $312, and honestly it was 15% off, which I think is a good deal for a fragrance. Usually I would get it from Sephora with my Rouge, 20% off, but I don't know what Sephora's doing right now. They're playing games and I don't have the time for it. So I'm like, let me go ahead and pick it up, a little treat to myself, a little pick me up. So I went ahead and got it. You guys were in my DMs going crazy, like, that fragrance better have gold. Why are they charging so much for the fragrance? What does it come with? And I get it, because I was like that at first too, but fragrance is something that I hold very near and dear to my heart. So when it comes to dropping a coin for a fragrance, I'm 100% here for it. Also, I feel like my love for fragrances has grown so much that I'm just like, give it to me. I don't care what the price tag is. Once it smells good and it's going to last, give it to me. Give it to me. So I wanted to give you guys, I guess you could say, like a little story time or just like some additional information. So I don't want to say have anymore, but I had a love-hate relationship with this fragrance, and let me tell you guys why. So I first discovered this fragrance watching Kyra Amanique's channel here on YouTube. Hey girl, hey. But she put me on, she was raving about it, and I'm like, I need to go in store and smell it, because the way she speaks about this fragrance, you would have swore that it was your golden ticket to heaven. Okay, so I was like, let me go in store and try it. And when I went in store to try it, it was like the height of the pandemic. So, you know, first of all, when I went to Sephora, you had to keep your mask on to smell the fragrance. And I'm like, how am I supposed to know if I really like this fragrance? Let me know, because through this little Amazon mask, it's not giving anything. I could barely smell anything. So why am I giving you $300+? I don't know. So that was a complete fail. And then I went in store and smelled it again, but I don't want to say the mistake that I made, but what I did is I took the bottle and I sprayed it on, like, you know, the little paper sample, and I was like, I don't really like the scent of this. It came off very peachy, and I didn't really like that. I'm just like, like, it's just not giving what the girl said it was giving. But my friend Tabby has it, and I was at her house and I needed a fragrance to put on, and she was like, put on a bit of peach. And I was like, I smelled it, but I don't really like it. She like, no, put it on. Because one thing about Tabby is that she has amazing taste in fragrance. I will give you that, sis. You have good taste in fragrance. But yeah, I put it on, and throughout the day I got so many compliments, and I'm thinking to myself, what did I put on again? Because I didn't put on a fragrance before I left the house since I was rushing. So I'm like, oh, I have one bit of peach, and I smell myself like, this is probably like 3 hours after me spraying it on, and I'm like, yo, this smells very good. So what I learned is that certain fragrances, I like this smell better on like the paper, and then certain fragrances I like better on my skin. And the reason why is because the oils of the fragrance mix with the oils of your skin. So something in that chemistry turned it into a banger, okay? A banger. I'm like, nah, this is good. So everybody who comments to me and says, I want to try this, what do you think of it? I smelled it in store and I don't really like it. I always recommend, or my first question is always, did you spray it on yourself in the store or did you spray it on a little piece of paper? Because on the paper, it's not given, but on the skin, it gives. And another thing about this fragrance that I loved is that it lasted all day. And y'all know, if y'all watch my vlogs, when we go out, we be out from morning to night. And all throughout those hours, this fragrance stayed on. It smelled amazing. So I'm like, Tom Ford, you did it for me, you sold me, and now I have to give y'all my money. So y'all want to garnish my wages or y'all want to wait till my direct deposit hits? Let me know. So yeah, I finally went ahead and picked it up. It just smells so friggin' good. So good. I love it. Overall, I would say that it is pricey for a fragrance, but I would say like maybe as a Christmas gift to yourself. And when it's on sale. So I know that Sephora is supposed to have another sale in November. I don't know if they're going to do the same thing and have us use our points to activate the sale. I don't know what Sephora's on right now, but I don't have the time for it. So if I see Tom Ford fragrances on sale again, I will be sure to post it on my Instagram story. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at Kensthetic_. That's where I be. That's where it is. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. But if it's on sale, I would say it's worth it. If you have to pay regular price, then I would just be like, unless you got it. If you got it, sis, then go ahead and spend it. But I ain't got it like that. So I waited until it went on sale so I could save me a little coin. But yeah, that's my review and my little unboxing of my brand new baby, the now most expensive fragrance in my collection, Tom Ford Bitter Peach. Absolutely love. Next on my fragrance wish list is definitely Tom Ford Lost Cherry. I have other fragrances, but as far as Tom Ford fragrances, Lost Cherry is next. Okay, Lost Cherry, I'm coming for you. So I forgot to mention it, but this product is a 1.7 fluid ounce bottle, 50 milliliters. Lost Cherry comes in a smaller bottle, so Lost Cherry comes in 1 fluid ounce, which I love because it's also cheaper. So I'm definitely getting the 1 fluid ounce of Lost Cherry Bitter Peach. It just smells so good to me that I'm like, if it comes in a bigger size, I would get the bigger size. That's how I feel about it. Comment down below and let me know, do you guys have this fragrance? Is it on your wish list? Would you buy it? Would you not? Price point, scent, all of that. Did you try it on the paper or did you try it on your skin? Because that's the main question that I have. Before y'all even get into telling me that you didn't like it, did you spray it on the paper or did you spray it on your skin? Because I told y'all that it makes a huge difference. But yeah, so that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching all the way until the end. And until my next video, which will be on Sunday, I got y'all with a vlog. We back with the vloggy vlog. So make sure y'all come back on Sunday. Make sure those post notifications are on because you don't want to miss it. So yeah, until then, I'll see you guys later.